Hello friends, hope you guys are doing great. We are again here with our today's video. Let's get started with our another video. First, you have to draw this on a circular sheet. Don't forget to use this specific shade of color for getting a specific result. You have to take a Q-tip and start spreading this with the help of your Q-tip. And now take clay balls of this color and make this peacock like this. Well, this clay peacock will look really great after the whole completion of this drawing. As you can see, it is ready. Make shapes with the help of this tape and color them. After coloring them, you have to place these clay balls and make these pigs or these cute creatures like this with the help of different shades. Take clay like this and spread it on the sheet. Now use a highlighter and color your another sheet. Make scraps of it and start pasting it on the clay with the help of a needle. Make this art by making these creatures which look very mesmerizing and you are done. After making that, you have to make a rainbow with the help of clays and see how the process has been made very easy within few very easy steps. Now take a paintbrush and start making this on a sheet like this. Take empty groundnut shells and start coloring them with the help of a paintbrush. Make these birds and along with you have to make their eyes and see how perfect they all look. After that, you have to take a clay bowl and start pasting these empty shells over here, or the empty shells are to be thrown and you can place them over here and make these petals or the flowers very easily and very beautifully. Don't forget to add these leaves and you are done with it. Now take a leaf and simply take empty shells and make this bird or this creature which looks very beautiful along with this leafy pattern. Take empty peanut shell and start pasting them over the sheet like this. You have to place them after coloring them, and after coloring you can make these floral birds or the flowers very easily just by following these very few easy steps. You will get the desired result and you are done with this. After making the imprint of your hand, you have to make this drawing very easily by making this with the help of a black marker. You can see how perfectly we have obtained this. Now, don't forget to complete the outlook by following these very few easy steps and your peacock is ready. Take a bundle of Q-tips and spread some colors on this ball, and then you can make an imprint of all of them with the help of a paintbrush. You can get the desired tree like this which looks very mesmerizing. Now take a brush and start spreading various colors for giving it a complete look. Take your fingertips and yes, you can draw this art by simply following these very few easy steps. Now you have to give them a complete outlook with the help of a black marker like this, and as you can see how happy and how blissful they all look. Don't forget to add a smile on their faces and your drawing will be ready within just very few easy steps. Well, the activities they are doing are really great. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching this video.